Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to add or import a calendar into Outlook 365 in 2026. Now Outlook lets you bring the calendars from your computer, online services or shared link so that everything stays in one place. So without further delay, let's get straight into how you can do it step by step. First of all, you need to open your Outlook 365 in your web browser. Once you log in into your account, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of calendar view. Over here, you will see the option of add calendar in the left hand section. So here, simply click on the option of add calendar. Now you are going to see the options to add a calendar from your organizations, from the internet, from the file or from the other email accounts. So if you want to import a calendar like an ICS, you can choose the from file option. Then you can click on the option of browse and select your ICS file. You can choose the destination calendar and click on the option of import. So the events are going to be appeared instantly in your Outlook 365 calendar. If you want to add any kind of online calendar, you can just simply come here, subscribe from the web option. Now you just have to paste the link of the calendar, then click on the option of import. If it asks you to provide the name of your calendar, you just have to do it. And again, the calendar is going to be imported successfully. In order to add someone's shared calendar, you just have to choose from person or from directory depending on your version, and then simply search for the person's name and select it and click on the option of add. You can also click on the link that the person has shared to you, and after clicking on it, simply click on the option of accept. So all of your shared calendars will come here in the show all section. So you can click on those calendars in order to view the meetings and other information. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.